What is up? What is up, guys? It's Riz back with another video, baby. I like that singing, huh? That was nice. Today, what I have for you guys is a coming out story. I will be telling you guys how I came out to my mom. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, a little backstory. If you watch my How You Knew I Was Gay video, you know that around like 3 or 4, I was, well, for lack of a better phrase, I thought I was a boy. I literally remember always dressing in boy clothes, and one day my mom decided to give me flack about it. She was like,
why don't you change into something more presentable?
and I was like, presentable? What you mean? She was like,
Maybe something a little more girlier.
and I was like, Mom, don't you know I'm a boy? And let's just say after that day, I definitely knew I was a girl. A few years and a lot of girl crushes later, I came to a compelling thought. If I wanted to be completely comfortable with my own sexuality, I at least needed to have the support of the most important person in my life. I came out to my mom, so all the years of stealing my brother's clothes and getting my hair braided like Little Bow Wow would make sense to her. It was around 6 on a weekday night, and she had just got off from work. She picked me up. We was on our way to Jack in the Box, and I was just trying to figure out how I was gonna tell her, because it had been on my mind all day, and I didn't want anything to happen, like her disown me or something. So yeah, we were in the car, and she kept asking me what was wrong. Mothers know. They have this amazing instinct to just know when something's wrong with their child. She kept asking me what's wrong. I was like, nothing, like, I'm cool, I'm fine. A few minutes into the car ride, I was like, Mom, I gotta tell you something. She was like, what? Tell me. And I had the biggest lump in my throat. I swear to God, like, I just couldn't, like, after I initiated the conversation, like, I couldn't finish it. I just couldn't say the next sentence to her. Then she said it. She asked me,
Do you like girls or something?
bro, I was like, I just started crying, bro. I didn't know what else to do. I was so freaking scared. I just kept thinking the worst, and I was like, this is it, my life's over. She pulled the car over, trying to comfort me, and she was telling me it's okay, you're okay. Then she told me a story about how she had a girl crush when she was my age. So it dawned on me at that point that she thought it was a phase. So from that point on, she tried to be more accepting of my sexuality, but it's like, at the same time, how can you take an 11-year-old that just stopped sleeping in the bed with you serious about something like that? From the ages of 11 to 17, I think she did struggle to understand what I was going through, but she was always supportive, and I couldn't ask for anything else than that. I mean, one time she even drove me 4 hours to go meet a girl that I met online. That's a weird mom flex, but you get the point. I would say that things didn't really become more openly talked about until I went to my prom with my current girlfriend right now, which was in like 2018, 2017. So I personally feel like it just recently got to a point, where everybody in my family is kind of accepting it or being supportive of it. And it took a while, but we're here now. I'm so thankful that I have a supportive family, and my heart goes out to everybody that has parents that just can't come to terms with it, or family members, in general, that just don't understand it, you know, are afraid of broadening their perspectives. So, love you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. For more content like this, hit that sub button. And if you want to be notified next time I drop a new video, make sure you hit that bell button too. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And remember to stay progressive. Until next time, bye.